Are you a freelancer, digital marketer, or doing remote job? Are you looking to build your own portfolio website for free? Like, you don't want to pay for domain name per year and hosting monthly or yearly charges, right? If yes, then this video I made just for you. Because I know how important it is to impress your client when making a first impression. That is why actually I decided to make this video. So please keep watching this video till end, don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. I'm Zain Ahmed from Easy Teacher with Funny YouTube channel, back again with the new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to create a portfolio website for free. In this, you don't need to pay for domain name and hosting monthly or yearly charges. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. First of all, let me explain how that is possible. Google Sites powered by Google gives us an opportunity to make free websites. It's similar to Google Docs and Forms. In this, you guys can make your own portfolio, help center, event, or other websites for free. Let me show you how.
Okay, now open your Chrome browser and write Google Sites in search bar. Open the first link. Here we go. Now we have multiple options to go with. Look at these pre-designed templates. Here you can see some other categories too. You can find portfolio templates from here. To present work demography, I would like this photo portfolio template. Let's click it here to edit it in Google Sites editor. Give it a name as per your profession. Write your name over here. Look at these tabs. That's really amazing. We can edit those tabs or pages from this Pages tab. Let's check it out. This is the page and this is sub page. You can add more pages like that. Come here at work page. Now we don't need those photos over here because we want to add our own experience captures over here. Now just simply select this icon to add photos options manually. You can add as many as you want. Just keep in mind that data is gonna stored in Google Drive, which contains 30 GB free space. For pictures, that's a lot. Now click over here to upload photos. I will add photos whatever I need. You can zoom in the size here to display picture rightly. Right now I'm just adding the same photo again and again because I'm just teaching you guys how to do it. Here you guys can write about the picture you uploaded. You can change themes from here. You can make themes through customized fee. If you have a little bit passion about your work, then you guys can easily create a very professional site through this. In theme section, you guys can add your theme photos to look more professional. because when clients will approach you in this way, then you are more likely to get hired. Okay, let's suppose I'm done with editing and now I'm gonna publish it. You don't need to change your address over here. That's fine. Now here's one thing, that is, when you will publish it as it is, then your website link will look like this, and that's not a big deal when it's also searchable. In future, if you would like to buy your own domain name, then you can add it from here, custom domain. Hosting is free. You can host your website on Google Sites. Make sure to stay in anyone which is under who can view my site. Click on publish. That's it. It has been published. I know it's not looking very good, but I showed you the path. I believe you can make better than this.
I hope you guys did like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Take care of yourself and your family. 𝐼𝐴.